Like we asking in English, what is your name? What is your name? So the name in Urdu will be asked like this. आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? As you say in English, my name is Michael. My name is Michael. So the same word in Urdu will say मेरा नाम माइकल है. मेरा नाम माइकल है. Come here, as you say in English. So you will say in Urdu, यहाँ आओ. यहाँ आओ. Sit down. As you say in English, sit down. So in Urdu you will say नीचे बैठो. नीचे बैठो. As we say in English, where are you? Where are you? So the same word will be said in Urdu. आप कहाँ हो? आप कहाँ हो? As you say in English, this is my city. This is my city. So we will say this word in Urdu. ये मेरा शहर है. ये मेरा शहर है. शहर mean city. ये मेरा शहर है. As we say in English, where are you from? Where are you from? So we will say this word in Urdu. आप कहाँ से हो? आप कहाँ से हो? Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.